Good morning, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into the world of morning routines. We all know that how you start your day can set the tone for the rest of it. So, let's take a closer look at my morning routine and explore some tips that might help your day on a positive note. Welcome to my morning routine. The alarm goes off, and the journey begins. The first thing I do is resist the urge to hit the snooze button. Instead, I take a deep breath, stretch, and mentally prepare for the day ahead. Now, let's move to the bathroom, where the magic of waking up truly happens. A refreshing splash of water on the face is a mud. It's like a small reset button for the mind and body. After that, it's time for a quick shower to invigorate the senses. Next up, it's breakfast time. They say it's the most important meal of the day, and I couldn't agree more. A nutritious breakfast fuels me for the challenges ahead. Whether it's a hearty bowl of oatmeal, a fruit smoothie, or some whole grain toast, the key is to nourish the body. With breakfast checked off the list, I like to spend a few moments in mindfulness. This could be a short meditation session or just a moment of gratitude for the new day. It helps set a positive mindset. Then, I grab my planner and jot down the tasks for the day. Having a clear plan helps me stay organized and focused. Please try to remember these words and phrases. Invigorate, definition: to give life and energy to refresh. Example, a quick shower in the morning helps invigorate my senses and prepare me for the day ahead. Resist the urge, definition, to actively avoid or refrain from succumbing to a strong desire or temptation. Example, when the alarm goes off, I consciously resist the urge to hit the snooze button and start my day promptly. Nourish, definition, to provide food or other substances necessary for the growth, health, and good condition. Example, a nutritious breakfast is essential to nourish the body and provide the energy needed for the challenges ahead. Mindfulness, definition, the quality or state of being conscious and aware of something, a mental state achieved by focusing one's awareness on the present moment. Example, I take a few moments for mindfulness either through meditation or simple gratitude, to set a positive mindset for the day. Incorporating, definition, to include combine something as a part of a whole. Example, incorporating physical activity into the morning routine, whether through jogging, yoga, or stretching, helps boost energy levels. Tailor, definition, to adjust for a particular purpose or situation. Example, it's important to tailor your morning routine to your preferences and lifestyle, ensuring it works best for you. Let's get back to our story. Exercise, time to get the blood flowing. It's a quick jog, a yoga session, or some stretching exercises. Incorporating physical activity into your morning routine is a fantastic way to boost energy and improve overall well-being. Now that we're energized and focused, it's time to get dressed for the day. Choosing an outfit that makes you feel confident and ready to tackle whatever comes your way can make a significant difference in your overall mood. Before heading out, I always make sure to grab a bottle of water and a cup of coffee. Hydration is crucial, and coffee, well, that's my little morning ritual that gives me an extra kick. And there you have it, my morning routine. Remember, it's not about following a strict schedule but finding what works best for you. So, whether you are an early riser or a night owl, tailor your morning routine to set yourself up for a successful and positive day. Thanks for joining me on that journey through my morning routine. Until next time, make every morning count. Please try to remember these words and phrases. Invigorate, definition, to give life and energy to revitalize. Usage, a quick shower in the morning invigorates the senses and prepare me for the day ahead. Nourish, definition, to provide with the substances necessary for growth, health, and good condition. Usage, a nutritious breakfast is essential to nourish the body and kickstart the metabolism. Mindfulness, definition, the practice of maintaining a moment-by-moment awareness of our thoughts, feelings, sensations, and the surrounding environment. Usage, spending a few moments in mindfulness helps me cultivate a positive mindset for the day. Jot down, definition, to quick write something down. Usage, I grab my planner and jot down the key tasks for the day, ensuring a clear plan for productivity. Incorporate, definition, to include or involve something as part of a whole. Usage, incorporating physical activity into the morning is a fantastic way to boost energy levels. Tailor, definition, to customize or adjust to specific needs or conditions. Usage, tailor your morning routine to suit your preferences and set yourself up for success. Thanks for joining in this session.